Welcome back everyone to the musical keyboard video series part 2. Okay, in the last video we just designed the keys and added some effects, and we designed the black keys. Okay, and in this video we are going to code our musical player. Okay, now create a new layer and change the name to AS3.0. Okay, before that you just assign the instance name for all the keys in the keyboard. So, okay, so for this I have C, instance name for second key is D, and this one is E, F, G, A, B, and finally the last key is C2. Okay, and I am not concentrating on the black keys. I just tell you how to create sound effects to the white keys. You can do for the black keys also. Okay, so press F9 or right click, select actions. So inside this action panel I am going to add some code. Okay, before that we have to add an event listener for all the movie clip. Okay, so let's begin with C. C dot add event listener. So mouse event, click, and find key. Find key is my function. Okay, so copy this function and paste for 7 times. So this one is D, E, F, G, A, B, and finally C2. Okay, so I'm writing the definition for the find key function. Find key E mouse event. Okay, this function is going to return void value. In this function we are going to trace the key. Okay, so the value of key. So before that I want to tell you one more thing. So go to that folder, we have keys. Okay, inside this you can see I set the file name as C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C 2. Okay, so I'm also using the same name for the movie clips. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get the name of the movie clip. Okay, before that I want to check. You can check by using trace function. Trace E dot current target dot name. Okay, we can check this. Okay, now compile it. When you click mouse, okay, it will give the movie clip name. So it's working fine, so no problem. Now we have to do one more thing. All the music files are stored in a key folder. Okay, the folder name is key. Okay, so string equal to, you just tell the location key slash. Okay, this E dot current target dot name will give the name of the music file. So you just cut that content and delete the trace statement. Now you just concatenate, or you just create a object for the sound. Okay, I'm creating an object for sound, new sound. Inside this we are going to give the URL. For that we have to use URL request function, and inside this you just give the URL. Okay, our URL is URL plus the music file name is stored in, that is we can access the music file name by e dot current target dot name plus to concatenate, and the type of the file is .mp3. Okay, then you just add one more code. Okay, I forgot to give semicolon. Now just type as.play. Now compile the movie. Okay, it's giving some error. Wait a minute. Oh, something. Okay, I'm sorry. I missed the bracket. So as you can see, when I press the key, it will making a sound. Okay, so now my task is I want to access the keys by the keyboard. For that, I have to add the event listener for the keyboard also. For that, you just add stage dot add event listener. Okay, keyboard event. So the event is key press. I'm sorry, key down. Key down. Okay. So here also I'm going to find the key. So use one more function, find key 2. Okay, use any name, no problem. So I'm going to write the definition for that. Find key 2, and the event type is keyboard event. So that type is void. So before that, I want to know which key is pressed on the keyboard. So I want to assign the C, that is the first key, to the A on my keyboard, second key to my S on my keyboard. So before that, I want to know the key code of those keys. Okay, we just use the trace function and press and type e dot key code. Okay, now compile this one. Now I am pressing A on my keyboard. Okay, you can see the output. Okay, the value of the A is 65. The key code value of the A is 65. So you can type S now. S D F G H H, sorry, J K L. Okay, so now we have all the values of the key. Okay, now I am going to write the code. If e dot key code equal to 65 means, we can know it is A. So A means we have to produce the first key sound. So just till okay, you just call one more function, play music, and you give the name of the file. Okay, C. And I'm going to do one more thing here. So we just copy this one or cut. Okay, function play music, paste the code inside that play music function. Remove this e current target name. Okay, what I'm going to do here is you just send the key value here. Okay, play music e dot current target dot name. Okay, so the equivalent parameter is file name. Okay, the same name I'm used here. So the file name will be passed from the find key function. Okay, that is done by mouse. And one more thing is, here I am using find key to function for the keyboard. Here I am passing the value directly to the play music function. Okay, so now I'm going to add, so you can copy this code, copy and paste it here. So instead of 65 we have to put 83. So instead of C, D. Okay, else copy this one and paste it here. This one is 68. This is for E. F, G, A, and B, and finally C2. So you change all the values. After 68 it will be 70 and 71, 72, 74, 75. Okay, we got all the values from here. Okay, so save this one and compile this project. Now press A on your keyboard. Okay, so now we can access the keyboard by mouse and keyboard also. Okay, this is all about creating a musical keyboard in Flash using ActionScript 3.0. You can add sounds to the black keys also. Okay, for that you have to download or you have to record the sounds of the black keys. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Thank you.